Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to this detailed tutorial on repairing the weight cell of your Thermomix TM31 E55. Today, we will guide you through the entire process, ensuring you have all the necessary information to complete this repair successfully. First, let's gather the tools you'll need for this task. You will require a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, tweezers, and isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts during the process. Start by unplugging your Thermomix from the power source. Safety is paramount, so ensure that the device is completely powered down. Once you've done that, flip the unit upside down to access the screws that hold the base in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the 4 screws located at the corners of the base. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. If you find it challenging to remove the screws, applying a bit of pressure while turning can help loosen them. With the screws removed, gently lift the base off the Thermomix. You will now see the internal components. It's essential to take a moment to observe how everything is laid out. If you are unsure about any part, feel free to pause the video for a closer look. Next, locate the weight cell, which is connected to the main circuit board. Carefully disconnect the weight cell by gently pulling the connector away from the board. Take note of how it is connected, as you'll need to reconnect it the same way later. Now, let's clean the area around the weight cell. Use a cotton swab dipped in isopropyl alcohol to carefully clean any dirt or residue. This step is crucial as it ensures a proper connection and functionality of the new cell. If you're not comfortable performing this repair yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our skilled technicians can assist you, ensuring your Thermomix is functioning optimally again. After cleaning, you can proceed to install the new weight cell. Align the connector and gently push it back into place on the circuit board. Ensure it is secure. A loose connection can lead to further issues. Once the weight cell is securely connected, it's time to reassemble your Thermomix. Carefully place the base back onto the unit, ensuring all components are aligned correctly. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier and tighten them securely, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this could strip the screws. Now, before powering on the device, double-check that everything is in place and secure. If at any point you feel uncertain, do not hesitate to reach out for help. Remember, we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your Thermomix. Once you've confirmed everything is reassembled correctly, plug your Thermomix back in. Test the weight cell by placing a known weight on the bowl to ensure it registers accurately. If it works, congratulations! You have successfully repaired your Thermomix TM31 E55. If you encounter any issues during the test, remember that we provide quotes before repair. No calls, no travel, just a simple and efficient process to get your Thermomix back in perfect working condition. Thank you for following along, and good luck with your repair. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.